In programming, it is important to be able to control the flow of a program, and quite often we want one piece of code to execute if one condition is true, and another piece of code to execute if another condition is true. To control flow, we use the if statement. To use the if statement, we use the word if and then the condition we want to meet, and then we finish with a colon. The code we want to perform, if the condition is true, is indented. In this example, you can see that we have a pass mark for an exam and your score. If your score is greater than or equal to, denoted by the greater and equal to symbol, then it will print, you have passed. You can also add code for when the condition is not met, and to do that we use else. This is the same example as before, but you can see there is now an else followed by a colon. If you didn't pass, then the line indented after the else will be performed, and the words you have failed will be printed. In real life, you don't just pass or fail, you get different grades based on your score, and you could use the indented if-else statements to get to the correct score, but a better way is to use the elif as shown here. What this code is saying is if you get 80 or more, print A, else if you get 70 or more, print B, else if you get 60 or more, print C, otherwise the condition is not met and you can still fail. Sometimes you want code to perform if multiple conditions are met. In the UK, the voting age is 18. But in Scotland, it is 16. Using the AND keyword, we can add an if statement that says if you are 16 or older and live in Scotland, then the words you can vote are printed. The elif then says if you are greater than 18, then you can vote, and the else still acts as a catch-all and says you cannot vote. Finally, the OR keyword can be used to simplify the code further. You can see we have two if statements, both printing out you can vote. By putting the if and the and in brackets, we can then use the OR keyword to compare another condition. So, if you live in Scotland and are 16 or older, or you are 18 or over, you can vote, else you cannot vote.